Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about the previous year question paper of SSC Junior Engineer Civil 2014. First question, mild steel used in RCC structures conforms to options A IS 432, B IS 1566, C IS 1786, D IS 2062. Mild steel used in RCC structures conforms to IS 432. A is the right answer. Second question. Which of the following type of lime is used for plastering and whitewashing? Options A. Quicklime, B. Slaked lime, C. Hydrated lime, D. Fat lime. For plastering and whitewashing, fat lime is used. Option D is the right answer. Third question. Which of the following acts as reactor for the concrete? A. Calcium chloride, B. Calcium lingosulfonate, C. Calcium stearate, D. Aluminum powder. Calcium lingosulfonate acts as reactor for the concrete. Option B is the right answer. Fourth question. Identify the wrong statement. Bulking of sand can up to 40%. Bulking of sand is maximum at 4.6% moisture content. Bulking of sand is considered in way batching of concrete mix. Bulking of sand occurs due to free moisture film formation over sand grain. The question is related to the bulking of sand. So we can discuss about bulking of sand. The increasing moisture of sand increases the volume of sand. The reason is that the moisture causes film of water around sand particles, which results in the increase of volume of sand. For a moisture content percentage of 5 to 8, there will be an increase in volume up to 20 to 40% depending upon sand. This is the graphical representation of bulking of sand. As shown in the figure, the bulking of sand increases with increase in moisture content. This happens up to a certain limit, beyond which any addition of water, there will be decrease in volume. The rate of bulking is inversely proportional to the size of aggregate. So, the fine aggregate bulk more as compared to the coarse aggregate. Our question is the wrong statement. So the option C, the bulking of sand is considered in way batching of concrete mix, is the wrong statement. Our answer is option C. Fifth question, strength based classification of bricks is made on the basis of options A IS 3101, B IS 3102, C IS 3495, D IS 3496. Strength based classification of brick is made on the basis of IS 3102. Option B is the right answer. Sixth question. In paints, methylated spirit, naphtha and turpentine are used as options A base, B binder, C solvent, D extender. Option C solvent is the right answer. Seventh question. Coarse sand has a fineness modulus in the range of options A 2.2 to 2.4, B 2.4 to 2.6, C 2.6 to 2.9, D 2.9 to 3.2. Fineness modulus is an empirical factor obtained by adding the cumulative percentages of aggregate retained on each of the standard seals and divide this sum by 100. For fine sand, fineness modulus range is 2.2 to 2.6. Medium sand 2.6 to 2.9. For coarse sand 2.9 to 3.2. Our question is coarse sand has a fineness modulus range. Option D 2.9 to 3.2. Eighth question. Under heat and pressure, granite can transform into options A quartzite, B. Marble. C. Slate. D. Gneiss. Under heat and pressure, granite can transform into gneiss. Option D is right answer. Ninth question. Aluminium is anodized to protect it from weathering effect by forming a surface coat of options A. Aluminium carbide. B. Aluminium borate. C. Aluminium oxide. D. Red lead. Aluminium is anodized to protect it from weathering effect by forming a surface coat of aluminium oxide. C is the right answer. 10th question. Quartzite and marble are by nature options A. Volcanic. B. Plutonic. C. Sedimentary. D. Metamorphic. Both quartzite and marble are metamorphic rock that they undergo change via pressure and heat. They don't melt. So our answer is metamorphic. Quartzite and marble are metamorphic rock. Thank you.